Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question number 19 of NEET Physics paper 2017. Students, let us solve question number 19. A physical quantity of the dimension of length that can be formed out of c, g and this value. C is velocity of light, g is universal constant of gravitation and E is the charge. So you to write L in the form of these three quantities. First of all, c is the speed of light, g is the universal gravitational constant and E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught. I call this symbol as any representation. I'll use one say A for this one. I'll use this as A symbol. So length of the any quantity L that depends on C, G and A. A stands for this value. What is the power that you have to find? Suppose the power is A, B and C. So I can see this, you can will get confused. Okay, no problem. This is a small c that I'm using as the power of A. This is the speed of light. So I have to solve this using dimensional analysis. This will become some dimensional constant c to the power A is proportional to how much is the answer to this, g to the power B and A to the power C. These I have to solve using dimension and I will get one of the answers. So in this equation I would write that the left hand side the dimension is m to the power 0, L to the power 1, T to the power 0 because only length is there. Right side k is dimensionless quantity and the dimension of c is Lt minus 1, that is the velocity, and its power is A. Then we have got G. G is the universal gravitational constant and that one is capital G, which is obtained from F is G m square upon d square, mass square and distance square. So this is Newton meter square per kg square. So Newton is mLt minus 2, meter square upon kg square is m square. So this will become m minus 1 L to the power 3 and t minus 2. So m minus 1 L cube and t to the power minus 2. This I am writing for G because here it is G to the power B here. I'll write power B and we have got A, which is standing for this one, this E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught. I know from Coulomb's law that F, that electrostatic force will be given by, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught between two electronic charges is E square upon distance square. So from here this part is A, which is Newton and this is meter square. So this part is having dimension of A, that is this I call A. Dimension of A is Newton, that is mLt minus 2 and distance square. So this is becoming mL cube t minus 2. So I just substitute this value here to the power of C. So this power C will be written m L3 t minus 2 to the power C. So this what actually you have to solve to get the answer. Now just I have to rearrange this one, that L is here, L is here, L is here, M is here, M is here, M to the power minus B here and M to the power C here, so D plus C, L to the power A here, 3B here, so A plus 3B and here it is 3C. Okay, T to the power minus A here, minus 2B here and here it is minus 2C. this dimension and this dimension is equal. This implies that I will write minus b plus is 0. From this one I write minus b plus c is 0, implies that b and c are same. B equals to c. Okay. Now from the power of this I write for t. The t is what? T to the power 0 is equal to t to the power minus a minus 2b minus 2c. This implies that 0, the powers are equated minus a minus 2b minus 2c. But b equals to c, so either I write b or write c. So let us say that I am writing c as b here, so it is minus 4b. So minus a minus 4b is 0. So from here I get that that implies that a is minus 4b. I am getting this one. B equals to c I am getting here. And the last equation I will use any equation, say L1, L to the power 1 is matching with L to the power a plus 3b plus 3c. So from here I equate the powers. 1 equals to a plus 3b plus 3c, but I have already seen that b and c are equal. I will substitute c as b here. So this is a plus 6b equals to 1. So, and I have also another equation, a plus 6b is 1, and I have a is minus 4b. Already I know a equals to minus 4b from last expressions. I'll substitute here this one. A as minus 4b plus 6b is already there. A is as minus 4b, so this becomes 2b. So 1 is 2b and b equals to 1 by 2. Once you get b, this follows that a becomes minus 4b, which is minus 4 times b is half, so it is minus 2. So b I am getting here, a I am getting as minus 2, b I am getting is half, and I can use any equation. Suppose this equation, 1 equals to a, which is equal to minus 2, so I'll write minus 2 here, plus 3b, that is plus 3b is half, plus 3c, and I'll get the value of c. Anyway, I know that b and c are equal. I don't have to calculate that c value because c equals to b. So c, b both are half and a equals to minus 2. So once I got the value that a equals to minus 2, b and c both are same, and that is equal to half. So what was the equation initially? I wrote here the initial expression is this one, that is L is equal to some constant CGA to the power of ABC, and that is A comes out to be minus 2, G and B are the parts and root of that, so G and A will be in root. So the proportional L is proportional. If I consider this is 1, then is L is proportional to C square is there, so it will come down. And G and A, G and A was E square over 4 pi epsilon naught, and this will be on the root. That will be proportional to that. If I see all of the power is half, right, root or power half. So G E square 4 pi epsilon naught, G E square 4 pi epsilon naught, power is half 1 by C square. So therefore this is option number 1. You can also see that I can write that 8 is proportional to, in that form I can write 1 over C square G E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught to the power half. So this is the answer to this question. This is actually proportional to that. This is not equal to that. If you take equate to that, then this case would be equal to 1. So this is the answer to this question. Okay, thank you.